Hello everybody, my name is Cosimo and I love to crochet, and today I want to teach you how to crochet the half double crochet. Let's go! Whee! So let's say you're just working in your row and then you decide this row actually needs half double crochets to make it taller. Well, I got you. That's why you push this video. So let's do it. The half double crochet. So half double crochets are mostly used in the row to make things longer with less amount of work. Because you can do a bunch of them in one go and they'll be so much taller than a single crochet. But they're not as tall as a double crochet, which we'll teach in another video. So here's how to do the half double crochet. What you do is, instead of doing like a single crochet, which you go into the stitch and you yarn over, and no, what you have to do is you yarn over first, you put the crochet hook then into the stitch, then you yarn over and pull through like that. So now you have 3 loops on the hook. So what you do now is you yarn over and you just pull through all 3 like that, and that's a half double crochet. So let's do it again. So you yarn over, you put the crochet hook into the stitch, then you yarn over and you pull through the stitch like that. You have 3 loops on the hook, you yarn over and you pull through all 3. Again, yarn over, put the crochet hook into the stitch, then you yarn over and you pull through the stitch, then you yarn over and you pull through those 3. I'll do it again, but even slower this time. You yarn over, you put the crochet hook into the stitch, then you yarn over and you pull through that stitch, and then you yarn over and you pull through all 3 of those stitches. Yeah, and then it's done. Let's do one more, just to make sure you understood it well, class. You yarn over, and you put the crochet hook into the stitch, like that. Then you yarn over, and you pull through. And you have 3 loops on the hook, you yarn over, and you pull through all 3, like that. And that's the half double crochet for you. Very nice stitch, very nice. Well, we'll see you at the end credits. Woo! Okay guys, so yeah, this is what it looks like. I added a little face just because I thought it'd be funny. As you can see, these ones up here are the half double crochets, and the ones down there are the single crochets. So I want to show you the difference. See how small this is compared to that? If I did like 20 rows of these, it would be way higher than 20 rows of single crochets. So it's just a nice higher stitch that's easier than the double crochet. That's why it's called the half double crochet, because it's half of a double crochet. So yeah, that's the half double crochet for you. Make sure to like the video and maybe subscribe. And if you want to see more stitches, check out the playlist that's going to come in a second. And if you want to buy some of my patterns, you can go check out my Ravelry. And yeah, that's half double crochet for you. I'm going to let my friends say bye. Yes, thank you for watching this video. I hope it was helpful. Bye!